This is a quick video to show you how, when you receive a document that you do not have editing rights for, or it says view only, rather than requesting editing access, you can just make a copy. So in order to do that, you're going to come over to where it says File, and then click Make a Copy. Name your copy. You can save it to your drive, and you can identify what file you want it to go into. Once you navigate to the file you want it to go into, go ahead and hit Select and OK. And now you should have a copy of your own document, the exact document you just had that you couldn't edit, except now you can go ahead and edit the document. So rather than requesting editing access, you can go ahead and just make a copy. I hope this helps.